Today, Saturday the 10th of May, emergency services were called to fight a wildfire which had broken out at Fauldhouse Moor, just north of the village of Fauldhouse. According to news reports, at least 8 fire units were called to attend the fire, as well as a helicopter. The fire was said to be at least the width of 5.5 football pitches, and a small breeze that had kicked up was helping to fan the flames and spread the fire. While the helicopter had landed, we were able to get some high footage of the fire from above using the extreme zoom on the drone itself, and always keeping the drone close by. Also was able to use post-production to get some of the closer footage as well. This is a little different from our usual content, but thought you'd be interested in seeing the footage. Remember to like, and please think about subscribing to the channel so we can actually put up more content in the future. And thanks for watching.